In this video, I show you step by step how to fix it directly on your Android phone. What causes this? Weak internet connection? Background download queue? Corrupted cache? Google account sync issue? Outdated Play Store? No need to reset your phone. Just follow these steps. Make sure your internet is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and toggle airplane mode. Cancel pending downloads. If multiple apps are queued, cancel them and try downloading only one app. Clear Play Store. Cache. This removes temporary corrupted files without deleting your apps. Clear Google Play Services cache. This is important because Play Services controls downloads and check date and time authentication. Incorrect date and time can block Play Store servers. Remove and re-add Google account open settings. Tap Accounts. Tap Google. Select your Google account. Tap Remove account. Confirm removal. Now restart your phone again. After the phone turns back on, go to Accounts. Tap Add Account. Select Google and sign in again. This refreshes your authentication with Google servers. Open Play Store and test the download. If it starts downloading, the issue is fixed. If not, we have one more step. This refreshes Play Store authentication. Update Play Store, open Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon. Tap Settings. Scroll down and tap About. Tap Update Play Store. If an update is available, install it. An outdated version can cause download issues. Restart your phone. Now we will restart the phone. Press and hold the power button. Tap Restart. If you don't see Restart, press Power plus Volume up together. If your phone is frozen, hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to force restart. Wait until the phone fully reboots. After turning it on, wait 1 minute before testing. Restarting refreshes background services and clears temporary system glitches. Now open Play Store and try again. If the issue remains, move to the Any Final Test. Now let's test everything. Search for a small app. Tap Install. If the download starts normally, your problem is resolved. If it still doesn't work, repeat the steps carefully, especially clearing cache and re-adding the account. That's it. These are the most effective ways to fix Google Play Store download pending or not downloading issues on Android. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more simple Android fixes. Comment below and tell me which step worked